Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix command prompt missing when right-click the Start button in Windows 10. Right-click Taskbar, click Taskbar Settings. Turn off Replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu, when I right-click the Start button or press Windows keys plus X. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.